All right, hey gang, welcome to today's reaction points for Thursday, October 16th, 2025. Another interesting day in the markets. You can see volatility starting to show its claws. All right, so let's break this down here. We are looking at the E-mini S&P, and let's see, let me expand this a little bit further. Now, what I'd like you to do, if you don't mind, is go ahead and give this sucker a like or a thumbs up if you do enjoy this content and these videos. That allows me to know that you appreciate the content and that you like it, and I'll keep doing it if we get enough likes. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. Notice that we had our very yield faithful Euro high sweep here pre-market. You can go back and look at the last, I don't know, half a dozen videos or so where this has just been a key setup over and over again. The S&P trades sideways to flat, taking out the Euro high, a lot of times pre-New York Open. But we got a sweep here just by a point or the hair of his chin, chin, chin. 3S code, sell signals, got us an easy, quick +1/2, +2. Hey, could be done by the day. Here's where we get into the choppy New York Open, 8:30 to 9 a.m. Central, or 9:30 to 10 for you East Coasters. And then throughout the rest of the morning, you see it was a little bit choppy. What I'm looking for now is a move to take out the Euro lows, which we did not get. And we've got the Asia lows, which is that second dotted line, lurking down here below at a very important number, which is 6,700. Notice that the market did ramp back up and clear out the Euro highs again, also taking out those pre-market highs. And it's at a time of day where our mastermind students know that that's a very critical time of day, right around 9:50 to 10 a.m. And we teach methods around that very specifically. So we pushed into Euro highs again. You can see the rejection or the reversals. We have divergence warning signs giving us clues. And then we have 3S code sell signals kick in as well. So 67.40-ish. We come down, we reach the New York Open, right here, New York Open. Below that, we've got a weekly open. Below that, we've got midnight open. Look at the reactions off of each of these areas. Every single one of these are tradable opportunities. Are all of them worth taking? I'll leave that into the eye or the finger of the mouse clicker, but we typically will wait and watch for best setups. One thing I didn't like here is that in tracking these lows or these lower highs, and the market's just really having problems right here. Okay, and then this is where the algo selling really kicks in here, heading into lunch. We see your typical short covering. I don't like these buys right here. One, we're pretty much in no man's land. What I'm looking for here are the prior day lows. Okay, prior day lows right here. The fact that we just came in with a couple points of tagging that and then reversing smelt a little funny to me. And here we did. I was watching the markets right around here, about to do a workshop. I questioned the crowd. I said, "Do you think the lows are in?" And my thoughts were like, "I don't think the lows were in." Look at the averages pointing lower, and I just had a suspicion that they were going to come take these out and tag the prior day lows. Look at it, how it's reacting right now after the cash market. We did get another opportunity to get long, and I did get long. We came down here, we took out the prior day lows. That's good, that's great. We still don't have any confirmation, but look at why would you be cautious buying that? Sure, there's a scalp there, but if you look low, always be aware of what is beneath the surface or further down or further up if we're looking for sells. Just because we tagged the prior day low, we've got the weekly open. And I said weekly open up here, I meant monthly open. We've got the weekly open hanging out. You have to be sure or pretty confident that the market's going to come tag that. Tags it literally to the tick. Bullish divergence bar, big volume coming in. That's our cue to get long and buy this market. So you made money on the trade there. Depending on where you got long right after I saw that bullish bar. That confirmed we took the weekly open out, so we're probably going to go higher. Now, we did not get a 1/2 on the trade until right here into the close. Okay, we did do the close, so I got stopped out at break even. After I went +1, stopped out at break even. Once I saw it rejecting off this area again, I decided to get long and take some profits there into the close. Now, market I want to highlight before we leave, crude oil. Crude oil is nasty today as well. Let's see, what are we down? Down about 80 cents, another 1.5%. Same thing here, sweeping euro lows, nice scalp to the upside. And then we just hover around the prior week lows, man. Bounce, bounce, and this time you get failure, right? Failure. And then we have some stickiness around that prior week low. But then after that, after trading crude after 10, 11 o'clock is not worth your time. And there's no justification to try and bottom pick any of this anyhow. We're sitting here in no man's land. So hopefully this lesson has been a good lesson for you. And again, I appreciate it if you hit like or thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Again, that makes lets me know that you do like the content, and we'll keep shooting this out. Talk soon.